Hello, welcome. My name is Shahzad, and this is a series of videos where we uh, learn about Python, necessary Python for artificial intelligence. And in this video, we will learn about the enumeration in Python. So let's get started. So, what is enumerate function in Python? The enumerate function adds a counter to an iterable such as list, tuple, or string, and returns it as an enumerated object. This allows you to loop over the iterable with an function automatic function. And so the use of enumerate function is to avoid manually keeping track of the index when looping through elements. To make this will make the code clearer and more readable when you need both the items and its index. So let's try some code with enumerate functions. Let's suppose we have a list and it has some items. Heterogeneous items. Okay, and close the square bracket. So if I have to traverse this list. What I can do, I can use a for loop. The index, the variable, and I is the variable that we declared for the for loop to verse over the list, and we have the list here, and we can print all the items in the list. Here you go. But what if I also want index along with it? So for that we use enumerate, and we can use the enumerate function and put the list variable in it. And here we can say that we can add the val here, another variable, because it returns a tuple, and the enumerate function returns a tuple. The first is the serial number, and the second is the value. So now we have a serial number with a sequence of numeric values with the values that we have in the list. Same thing we can apply for sets as well. Let's declare it as a cell. So it's a set now. Okay, and if you want to check it whether it's a cell or not, you can just type in, check the type. So it's a tuple, sorry. It's a tuple. Okay, then we have the sets use curly brackets. So what we can say is next what we can do, let's suppose if we want since as you can see that it is starting the serial number from 0. What if we want to start from the 1? For that we can do is that we have a option here, start. We can say start from 1. So it will start from 1, and if we want to start from 10, it will start from 10, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14. This is how you can control the counter of any iterable list or a tuple or any other iterable variable you want to iterate. Okay, and then what can we do with it is that, let's say if we have a variable like we have text variable that has a string in it, like hello world, and we want to traverse for I in text, and we can use enumerate class, and we can print like and it will, as you can see, provide a serial number, series of numbers along with the text characters of that are in the text string. And you can also use it with dictionaries as well. For that, you have to declare a dictionary. Take this is our dictionary, and say we have a this is our dictionary, and let's say it's 30. We have and we have a country, it's so now this we have the dictionary variable. If I want to traverse over it, what we can do is like this is the index, and then we have key comma value in using the class, and we add in dictionary, and we will print I comma key comma val. So let's do it. Okay, it's doing some, I haven't closed the, so again it's throwing some error, not enough values to unpack. Okay, so what is happening here, we have to put this in a bracket. Okay, so what it will do, it will actually the enumerate function, when this line executes, what it does, the enumerate function sends two values. The first one is stored in the I, and this which is created by the enumerate, and the second one is these pairs of values that are included in the dictionary variable. So when they are stored into these values, they are the age is stored in the key, and the 30 is the value of value is stored in the 30 is stored in the value. This function and this is called unpacking. I have explained it in my previous videos, wherein I have, I think, talked about the operators in the Pythons. So that's why it was throwing an error, because if we do not do not give the brackets here for the key and value, it will throw an error due to because not enough values to unpack. So I hope it should not give any error. Okay, again, too many expected and too many values to unpack. Okay, Okay, what is wrong here? I have to check again here. Okay, but it's saying too many values to unpack. Okay, something wrong is here. Okay, I think I got it. Had items here as a function. This is the built-in function of a dictionary. There you go. So this is now we have serial number, numeric serial number, along with the dictionary items. So this was it about enumeration in Python. So if you like this video, hit like, and if you have any question, put your question in the comments. What do you think about it? And we'll see you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.